Another delay. We have been waiting for the Pond mining event to release, and so far we were so close to dropping this past week, but yet again it was delayed. And these delays are common when it comes to Pond. So we are going to discuss why this delay is happening and when we could potentially see this event, and also other things that are going on in the market that is cooking up to be very bullish. Hello everybody, and welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Compass, your guide to everything crypto. Today I'm going to discuss why we're seeing all these delays in Pond and when we might anticipate the drop of mining. I'm not saying that we have seen nothing. There are integrations that have gone on the website. For example, if you go to the mining page, you can see that there's a brand new UI, and on here it will show you that your mining rig is activated and it's asking, shall we play a game? And underneath that, you can see two options. One of them is the mining and the other is the boost. So far, we have seen a green light for the mining, but a red light for the boost. And maybe that's because we are currently mining without even knowing it. Or maybe that's just speculation. But then again, there is another metric on the website that shows you the amount of peers that are also on this page that could potentially be mining with you. Maybe all we need to simply do is have this tab open in a website to continue mining, or it could be a nothing burger and nothing comes out of it and we are still waiting for the big mining event. But one thing that we do know is that when the rewards come, they will be on the Solana chain. We'll be looking at PNDC, and specifically wrapped PNDC that will be on Solana, and this will be the PNDC that you can claim after mining. And after that, of course, you have options of either the pond water, which is locking up that PNDC, or spawning it into port. And with the pond water itself, you can see a preview on the page. It's giving you an idea of what the claim will look like. The more amount that you lock up for the longer time, the more rewards that you will get. And in this case, the rewards are streamed to you weekly in Solana. Previously, we had rewards in Ethereum. If we look at the metrics of Pond0x since it came out, we are nearing almost 1 billion lifetime volume, and we're closing in on a total of almost 1 million swaps. This project has been alive for a little over a year. Overall, if you look at the metrics, you can say that this project is very impressive. Even though it's got a lot of bad rep because of Poly, you can't deny the success that's been coming here. And I want to highlight the pork token specifically, the Pepe fork. This coin has been in a downtrend for a long time. You can blame the outcomes of the project, but you can also blame the environment of crypto in general. It's been a very slow summer. Pork is sitting around a $70 million market cap with 30,000 holders. This is after Pork initially flipped Pepe when it first came out, and it ran up to around a $300 million market cap. Based off this information, you can say that there's real people with real conviction that are continuing to hold this coin. And if we're looking at the technical analysis on the chart, it looks like Pork has bottomed and is starting its uptrend. And it's not just Pork. I think the market is about to turn up. There's a famous term called Uptober, which basically means everything goes up in the month of October, and historically September are down months. To add on to that, the Federal Reserve announced their first rate cut, and this was announced on September 18th, and it was a cut of 50 basis points. This is the first cut that we've seen since 2020, and the market has already taken this as bullish news, as we have just shot up. As we speak, crypto and stocks are mooning. In my opinion, this could be some foreshadowing of what's to come next month. So all in all, I think this is the perfect recipe to get Pork going, because it's not only the market conditions, it's also the event of spawning, which is spot buying Pork, which will only bring more buy pressure, and that will cause the price to skyrocket. Now we just have to wait for everything to go down with Pond, and to keep up to date, you have to follow the right people on X. And I know it can be frustrating with Poly continuously having his account banned, but so far his latest account has been okay, and most most of the Pond is calling for Elon to bring these accounts back, and those accounts would be the Pond0x and Pork official accounts. Only time will tell if we will get these pages back, because it's very convenient to see official updates. And if you're having trouble following up with everything that's going on in Pond and all the news and maybe even the upcoming mining event, then you can reach out to me and I can get you set up in my coaching program. I can sit down with you one-on-one and break down everything that's going down and even help you in real time. And this is so when the mining event comes, you're not lost and you know exactly how to navigate the Pond. And I can even go a step further and help you as soon as the mining drops. I can sit down with you and we can mine together. I really don't want any of you to miss out on this opportunity. Since the market is getting more bullish, I will be posting more alpha plays, and if you're wanting these plays to get some profit in the market, then join my Discord channel. And as always, I'm putting content out like this every single week, so if you like what you're seeing, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell button so you don't miss another one of my videos. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.